How to change language on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our language of the app or the website on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now when you're logged into Temu.com, let's say it's in something that maybe you don't understand at all. Well, you can still change it even if you don't understand it, because I'll guide you through it. So when you're on the Temu.com and after you're logged in, you might see this type of interface that maybe you don't understand the language. Now in my case I already have English, but follow up with me. You'll find your profile icon from the top right, so tap on that profile icon. Then you'll find the second last option here in this icon that says settings. If it is another language, just look for this type of icon that says settings here. Once you go to settings over here, you can see country and region, but the language will be right beside that under the country and region. So mine is set to English, yours could be set to Espanol, French, or other things like that. You can select that particular option, then select any of the other languages that you wish to find out from here. This way you should be able to change the language on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.